Okay, good morning, students. So, how are you, all of you? Fine. Okay, right. Very good. Today, we are going to learn some problems which are related to a concept, concurrent lines. So, have anybody, students? Can you define concurrent lines? Yes, right. All right. So, okay, right. So, concurrent lines. Concurrents, if two or more lines are said to be concurrent, if they have a common point. If they have a only one common point is called concurrent lines. Otherwise, we can say that two or more than are said to be concurrent lines if they have a common point. So this is a definition of a concurrent lines which we learned in the previous classes. So by using this concept, some problems are given in the exercise. So let us solve some problems by using this concept. So the problem is, find the value of k if the lines 2x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0, 3x minus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0, and 8x minus 11y minus 33 is equal to 0. You see, here from the question is clearly the three lines are given. The three lines are given, and it is said that are concurrent or concurrent. Or clearly the lines are concurrent. So concurrent is nothing but they have only one common point. So the common point. So here we have to find out the k. We have to find out the k unknown value. But here how many lines are given here? Three lines given. So three lines. From the three lines are concurrent. The three lines are concurrent. We also that find the value of k. So clearly the point of intersection of these two lines is also a point of intersection of this line. You understand? The point of intersection of these two lines is also a point of intersection of this line. Why? Because they are concurrent. So as I said that two or more lines are said to be concurrent if they have a common point. So that's why what I am saying is the point of intersection of these two lines, the point of intersection of these two lines is also a point of intersection of this line. So that's why we can find the point of intersection of this line. So then we satisfy the equation. So let's find out the point of intersection of these two lines. So solution. So 3x minus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0, and 8x minus 11y minus 33 is equal to 0. It's clear there. So now we can find out the point of intersection by this point of intersection of these lines by the cross multiplication method. So cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method. So we get the x and y values. So here x, y, 1. So we have to start with the coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is minus 4. The constant is minus 13. And then we have to take the coefficient of x, 3. And then first one is minus 4. And then similarly, we have to take the coefficient of y is minus 11. Constant is minus 33. And then coefficient of x is right again first one, and then x by minus into minus plus 33 fours are 4 is a 12, 4 is a 12, 12 plus 1 13, 132, minus into minus plus, here in the middle we have minus. So 11 into 13, 11 is a 33, so 143. then y. So here 8 into 13, we have the minus here. 13 8s are 102. 13 8s are 102. And then in the middle we have minus. So minus into minus, plus we have here. So 33 3s are 99. 33s are 99. So then we have 1 by 11 3s are 33 minus 33. In the middle we have minus into minus, plus 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. So here 104 here, sorry, here 104. 13 8s are 24, 104. Then now which gives x by 132 minus 142. What we get here? Here we have minus 11. Minus 11. So then y by here minus 104 plus 99. We have 5. That is equal to 1 by minus 1. So which is nothing but x is equal to 11 and y is equal to minus 5. X is equal to 11, y is equal to minus 5. So sorry, this is minus 5. This is minus 5. So x is equal to 11, y is equal to 5. So then here we have 11 comma 5 is the point of intersection. Point of intersection of the equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. So, and which satisfy the equation 3. So, which satisfy the equation 3. So then you, by substituting the which satisfy equation 3. Let us say this is equation 3. Otherwise, this is equation 1, 2, this is equation 3. So 2x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0. Then 2x is what? 11. 3y is what? 5. Plus k is equal to 0. So here 22, 3 5s are 15, plus k is equal to 0. So similarly 22 minus 15, here we have 7 plus k is equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 7. K is equal to minus 7 is the value of k here. So when the question is given like this, you have to find out the value of k like this. So, and also we have a shortcut method also. By using the shortcut method, we can easily find the unknown value. So let us find out the unknown value by using the shortcut method. Shortcut method. So shortcut method is that is we have a 3 lines are said to be 3 lines are the 3 lines. Suppose the 3 lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 and a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0 are said to be concurrent, and we can otherwise we can say that necessary and sufficient condition for the 3 lines to be concurrent lines is a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 and a3 b3 c3 is equal to 0. So this is a necessary and sufficient condition for the three lines to be concurrent lines. So by using this property, we can this concept we can easily find the unknown value, or otherwise we can check whether the given three lines are concurrent or not. We can easily check by using this property. So using that one, 2, and we have to take the coefficients and also constant k, and then 3 minus 4 minus 13, and then 8 minus 11 and minus 33 is equal it's determinant form. So determinant form is nothing but take the 2 and same 13 minus 2 minus 4 minus 13 minus 11 minus 33 minus 33, and then here minus of minus 3, and then 3 minus 13 8 minus 33 plus k is 3 minus 4 8 minus 11 is equal 0, determinant form. So now 2 into that minus into minus plus 33 4s are, so 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13 132. Here we have in the middle minus, we have here minus into minus plus into minus minus. So then here 143, 11 13s are 143, and minus into minus plus 3. So here 33 3s are minus 99. In the middle minus, we have minus into minus plus 13 8s are 104 plus k, 11 3s are minus 33, here plus 32 is equal 0 we have here. So 2 into 132 minus 143, clearly it is what here 11 minus 11 to the and yeah, it is 11. Now then plus 3 into 104 minus 99, 104 minus 99 we have 5 plus here minus 33 plus 32 is minus k is equal to 0. This is minus 22, and then 3 5s are 15 is equal to 15 minus k is equal to 0, and then minus 22 plus 15 is 7. This minus 7 minus k, then we have k is equal to 7. Clearly we get that k value is minus 7. So in this shortcut method also we get the k value is minus 7, same value. So we can say that, and also we can verify our answer is also right. So this is what today concept. Tomorrow we will learn some more problems using this concept, related to this concept. Okay.